Hey guys, what's up? It's Tina. So I know this is a little different. I'm not as put together as I normally am. I'm getting ready to go to bed, but I thought before I do, I always show you guys how I put my makeup on, but I never show you guys what I do to take it off and what I do for my skincare routine. So tonight, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So I have my products laid out here. I'm just gonna talk real briefly about my routine, the products that I use. So one thing that I do is I use an all natural homemade facial cleanser probably about 2 years ago to not use the harsh chemical cleansers on my face because I really felt like they were just like dragging all the moisture out of my skin, and I was like, this cannot possibly be good for my skin. So I started using a coconut oil and baking soda based cleanser, and I have a couple of my ingredients down here that I'm going to show you guys what I put in it. So this is my cleanser right here. It's in actually a 3-ounce travel container that I bought from Walmart. It's been the best thing. I just remake it every time I run out. I've already melted it because with coconut oil, depending on the kind that you get, it will solidify at a certain temperature. So I'm going to start by kind of breaking down what I put in my cleanser, and then we'll go from there. So I start off with coconut oil. This is all natural coconut oil. It's organic, 100% virgin, cold pressed, and unrefined. You can get this at Walmart. This costs around average like $7. This will make you about give or take 2 or 3 different 3-ounce bottles of facial cleanser. So what you do is you melt this down with just some hot water and you pour it in there. It's really easy. I start with that. Then after that, I will add my baking soda. I use Arm & Hammer. You want to make sure it's baking soda, not baking powder. Now, before I go too far, I do want to talk a little bit about just the benefits of coconut oil. So coconut oil has a lot of different things about it that are beneficial for your skin. It is an antibacterial substance, so it kills germs, but it's super, super, super good for your skin. It's also an all-natural lightweight moisturizer, and it does not clog your pores. At least it has not clogged mine. Everything that I've read has said, like, typically you just have to go by the skin, how your skin is, combination, oily, dry, whatever it is, I don't know what I'm saying. There's so many benefits to coconut oil for your skin. I started this about 2 years ago, and it takes your skin a little bit to get used to it just because it's an oil. So you're putting oil on your face to clean your face, and you're not typically used to that. But once your skin and once you kind of acclimate to it, it is the most glorious feeling, I promise. I would never ever go back to a normal cleanser. I love my coconut oil cleanser. After I add the baking soda, this is more of a preference thing. You can wash your face with just those 2 ingredients, but I do add a couple of different ingredients that I've found along the way, kind of help with acne, help with dry skin, moisturization. So for starters, I will add a little bit of rosehip oil. This oil is amazing. This is great for moisturizing your skin, but also it helps with red marks. It helps with redness on your skin, discoloration from pimples or acne scars. This is absolutely great for that. I also use neem oil. The smell is not that great, but it's a super moisturizer, but it does not clog your pores. Love, love, love this for when it's super cold or dry outside. This is a great addition to my cleanser. One of my favorite lightweight moisturizing oils as well is a jojoba oil. You need this in your life. Even if you're not going to make this cleanser, this is a great lightweight moisturizer for when you have dry areas on your skin, even if your skin is naturally oily. This is also great for your hair. Now on to the essential oils. I have found that the best combination for my skin, and you can add or take it away depending upon what is wrong with your skin. I use lavender oil. This is great for acne. It is amazing, and I love when I do it at night because I have just a lavender smell left over and it kind of puts me to sleep, so it's really, really great. Overall, super great for evening out your skin tone as well as getting rid of pimples. Tea tree oil. The best. If you have a pimple, take a little drop of this, put it directly on it. I'm telling you, it goes away so quick. So moving on to how I take my makeup off at night and kind of what my process is. So let's jump right in. So I like to take off my eye makeup first before I do anything else. I use the Equate Beauty oil-free eye makeup remover. I found that this is not as harsh on your eyes as like taking it off with a makeup wipe. Neutrogena also has one. It's a little more expensive. The Equate version is literally just the same and it's probably half the price. So I take a little cotton pad. I'm gonna do this, guys, for you, so yay. So I just add a little bit to the cotton pad. So I just will take off my eye makeup. It comes off so easily with this eye makeup remover. It doesn't pull out your eyelashes because you're rubbing super hard. I know, actually I did this on Facebook Live one time and someone was like, you are literally rubbing your eye off of your face, and I was like, I'm really not, it just looks like I am. So I just kind of work it in, and we all make this face. I know we do. Don't you love how when you take one eye off and then you have to leave the other and you kind of look like an alien and you're just like, woo, thank God for makeup. Yeah, every day, every day. And I'll just take off the other eye. And then if I have matte lipstick on, I also will use the eye makeup remover for this because it feels like it just comes off way easier with this. And then I'm not scrubbing my lips with like a makeup wipe. This is great for taking off those really hard to take off matte lipsticks. I just actually do that. Don't pay attention to all the stuff going on my face. I'm not done yet. So I am a firm believer in taking all of your makeup off before you wash your face. That's the key, because when you wash your face, sometimes it doesn't get all the makeup off. So I will also use the Equate makeup wipes. I got the nighttime soothing makeup remover towelettes last time. I really like these. Super relaxing at nighttime when I take off my makeup. You can also use the exfoliating wipes. They have some that are just like a typical just makeup removing wipe, but these I really like. So I just go ahead and I take one of these and I remove my foundation just to make sure I get it out of all my pores. I know I look crazy, but this is the reality of what I look like when I take my makeup off at night, so judge not. I feel like Colby Calais' song Try should be in the back. Like I feel like I'm in the music video for it. You don't have to try so hard. Sorry. Weird? Maybe, but it's me. Okay. So I just make sure that I get all my foundation off, and that way when I cleanse my skin, going back to the coconut oil, it's also great for removing makeup. One time I was at someone's house and I forgot all of my stuff. And I was spending the night at her house and I was like, I don't have any of my makeup remover and I don't want to do anything too harsh on my face. And I literally just took coconut oil and it took it all off. And then I also washed my face and moisturized it all in one. So really coconut oil is just, it needs an award, okay? Coconut oil is the game. It is what you need in your life. Okay, anyway, so that's gross. See how much came off? Okay, so now I'm going to go wash my face. Okay, so I love to feel like I'm really getting everything off my face. I love to feel like I've exfoliated and it just feels so clean afterwards. So what I use is this little scrubby. You can get them at Walmart. It's like a little silicone scrubby. Oh my gosh, you guys, it feels so good on your skin when you wash it. So anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna go wash my face. Okay, bye! Okay, I'm back. So, I've just finished washing my face, drying my face. Ooh, it's a bam bam bun. Sorry, it's like really late and I'm like really tired, so I'm really weird. That's kind of how it works. So, next and almost final, most important step, moisturize your face, girl. Okay? Do not go to bed without moisturizing your face. What are you doing? It's just gonna create oil if you don't. Sorry, it's my rant for the day. So I use the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. It's got aloe, vitamin E, and cucumber, rich in antioxidants, shea butter, grape, and orange. So, yeah. So I do a little a little pump of this, and I moisturize because it's very important, you know? Here we go. Oh, this is the best part of my day. Like, you guys just don't even realize how much I love taking off my makeup. Let's say you guys have pimples or something. I don't know. Sometimes I will mix my jojoba oil and a drop of tea tree oil in with my moisturizer. That is great when you have pimples because it will kind of help get rid of them. And it also helps prevent them if you know you're about to start breaking out. So I use this Rapid Clear Stubborn Acne Spot Gel. This is great for when you need to get rid of a pimple fast. And it really is great when you have a pimple and you put the tea tree and these two together. And it's like a power couple. It'll knock them out. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching me get unready. Yeah. So I hope that you can take something from this video and maybe, you know, put it into your own life and your own routine, because this has been great for me. This has been a great skincare routine. My skin is practically clear all the time, and I'm not putting harsh chemicals on it, and I'm using things that are all natural and good for my skin, and you should too. So I will see you guys next time, and I'll be doing my makeup, I'm sure. So you guys have a great night. Bye-bye.